Hello to my viewers. My topic today is about algebraic functions in Calculus 1. This math is intended to the students who are majoring in mathematics and engineering students. So I have here y is equal to 3 minus v squared over 1 plus v. By the way, this is chain rule. To solve this, we will apply chain rule. So this will be dy over dv. First, I need to square the denominator, 1 plus v squared. And then, copy the denominator, 1 plus v. Then, differentiate the numerator. So, this will be 0 because the derivative of a number will be equal to 0. And then, this will be minus. The derivative of v squared is 2v. Then, minus. Copy the numerator. So, I need to put circle brackets 3 minus v squared times the derivative of the denominator. So derivative of the denominator will be 0 plus 1. Okay, so this will be 1 plus v. Then this will be minus 2v. Then this will be minus 3 minus v squared. 0 plus 1 is 1. All over by 1 plus v squared. Since I have a limited space on my whiteboard, so I need to erase at the top. So simplify this one. This will be, need to distribute. So this will be minus 2v. Then this will be minus 2v squared. Then this will be minus 3. Then negative, negative, that will be positive. Positive v squared. All over by 1 plus v squared. Okay, so 2v combine negative 2v and v squared. So this will be negative v squared. And then followed by minus 2v. Then minus 3. Then need to copy the denominator, which is 1 plus v squared. Since I have negative in my numerator, I need to factor out. So this will be minus v squared. This will be plus 2v plus 3 over 1 plus v squared. I think this is my final answer. That's all.